Okay, today's lesson is gonna be going with the flow. If you paid attention to yesterday, then you knew today could possibly be a red day. And we pumped to 945, which has been a resistance, 947 in the last 5 days. Then what it do after it did that? Dropped. Boom. Tried to recover. I got pre-market level set from Monday. A bearish day as well. It recovered. It tried to recover. It hit that pre-market level from yesterday. Couldn't push through it. Boom. Kept on falling. After hours and pre-market. After hours, it pumped a little actually. Pre-market, tried to retest it. After hours, pre-market, opening, dropped, recovered well. But one thing people forget when we talk about going with the flow is overall market sentiment. This is the perfect market for buying puts at the top every day. Although long term we might be bullish on Tesla, this is the perfect market to buy puts at the top every day. It doesn't want to over accumulate in this high inflation market, even with somebody even with a CEO like Tesla, like Elon Musk, who's very innovative, has the people. Everybody who has money is not finna play with the overinflation, the interest rate hikes, possibilities, and the wars going on and the COVID, list goes on. It's a lot of stuff to be bearish about right now. So in a market like this, play it accordingly. Go with the flow. Boom. Perfect spot to buy some puts right here. Especially if you go ahead and let it retest levels. Boom. This is why you chart. That's why we chart. You see that purple dotted line up there? Let it retest levels. Couldn't even push up to previous day levels. Boom. Fell. Fell down there to that green line 900. And now we're waiting to see what happens tomorrow. Going with the flow. We can look at Amazon as well. Same situation. Very bullish on the 8th. After a previous day bearish. Very bullish on the 8th. Off of that little pump. Got about $100, what it is, about $150, $140. Got up there. Go with the flow. It tests. This is a pre-market chart out I got right here with that green dotted line. It tests. It have to test. It have to see where it's at, see where the strength is. And yes, it almost broke the 3,300, but that's a previous resistance from the pump after earnings. Boom. You see that? Boom. Dropping. Next day pre-market. This is what you get for next day pre-market right here. Boom. Dropping. Then I open. Get a good little pump. It tests levels. That's the importance of charting. And what it do? Boom. Came back down and retested. Bearish market, bearish sentiment. Go with the flow. Although we are bullish on these stocks, you still gotta go with the flow. Don't be the one go against the whales. They the biggest thing in the ocean. And there we go. We got going with the flow for the lesson for the day. That's the lesson. So once it get to testing levels, if market sentiment is bearish, it's a good day to buy puts at the top. Of course, unless it drops so dramatically like it did the other day, 31.20. I mean, of course it's gonna pump. It's bullish sentiment in the stock, but overall market bearish. All right, I ain't trying to make it too long, but hope that helps somebody. Like, subscribe. Appreciate your time. Good. I'm out.